If your Kentwood, Michigan AC installation is struggling or won't turn on at all, a new system can feel exciting, but a little intimidating. You might wonder, how long will it take? Will my home be disrupted? What really happens on an installation day? At Sullivan Heating Cooling Plumbing, we believe you should know exactly what to expect with AC installation in Kent County. It all starts with an in-home evaluation. We measure your space, inspect your ductwork, and discuss your comfort needs. This ensures that we recommend the right system size, not just what's on the truck. On installation day, our uniformed crew arrives on time in a branded vehicle. We introduce ourselves, protect high-traffic areas with drop cloths, and wear shoe covers inside. Then we safely remove your old equipment and recycle it properly, including the refrigerant. Next, we install the new indoor coil, outdoor condenser, and any updated lines or electrical connections. Everything is leveled, sealed, and secured for efficient long-term performance. We power up your system, charge it to manufacturer specs, and check temperatures and airflow throughout your home. Before leaving, we clean up completely and walk you through your thermostat, filter changes, and maintenance tips. You'll know how to operate your system and keep it running at its best. Ready for professional AC installation in your Kentwood, Michigan home? Contact Sullivan Heating Cooling Plumbing and let our team make your next cooling upgrade simple and stress-free.